Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this scene inside After Effects. Let's get started. Clicking here and creating new composition. Set 1920 and 1080. Frame rate will be 30. Background color will be black. And the name of composition will be main. Now we have to create the background. Also for this project, you will need some HUD animations. I left some of them for you on Google Drive, link below. Choose any of them and drag to timeline. Let's make it smaller. I'll change quality of preview to full. Now we got to create a camera. Choose this preset and click OK. Then we're creating null object, which will be controller for the camera angle. Make all our layers 3D. Connect camera to the null. Now we should change the blending mode to screen to delete black background of the animation. Select the null and press button R to open rotation properties. Now adjust these two properties as I do. Then select camera layer and press P button to adjust the zoom. Adjust Z property and done. Now let's open camera options and turn on the depth of field here. And now we have to change these two parameters to get the result that we want to see. Also, let's change iris shape to hexagon to make the blur better. Now let's add some compositing to our scene. Just repeat what I do. Done. And now, time to create animation for the camera. Done. We almost there. I will just add some more HUD elements and we'll adjust them to make the scene more interesting. And here's the result. Hope you like it. If it's so, you can write comment below and follow me here. Thanks for watching.